going to attempt to get the orange belt. This is a Brinks. Doesn't really much matter which one it is, because it is a terrible lock anyways, and opens pretty darn easily. Master lock, and that is the $140. This is actually a little bit harder of a lock, although not a whole lot harder. Let's just single pick it. Alright, usually is a little easier. Alright, and then we've got this one that's interesting because it doesn't have any spring to it. Alright, but this is the Master Lock 570. This one has been much harder for me. I have not been able to open it single pick, but I have had a little bit of a luck. And these are all non-removable core locks, but hopefully that will be enough to qualify me for my orange belt and lockpicking on the Reddit forum.